Hi. Hello. I still feel super awkward with these introductions. It doesn't matter. I want to make a quick video about something that Canon just did, which I find exciting. And essentially what's happened is in the past few weeks, Canon just released a firmware update for their Canon R6 cameras, which is this camera right here and the camera that I'm actually recording on right now. And basically there's a bunch of features in that firmware update, but two of the big ones are that. Those two updates basically are that one of them being that now you can save video to both cards while recording, which didn't exist before. And so that's great to have redundancy while you're recording. And then the other update, which I'm really excited about, is that you can now shoot video in C-Log 3. I don't know where to put my hands, which is great because up until this point, you've only had C-Log in the R6, but now that C-Log 3 is available, arguably there's more dynamic range in C-Log 3. So for all video shooters who are looking to shoot a flat profile like log, and you want a little more leeway and latitude in your editing after the fact, C-Log 3 is gonna be a little better than C-Log. So it's really cool that Canon released this, again, for free. And I'm just gonna walk you through how I installed it on the R6 that I'm shooting on right now that has C-Log 3. So I'll show you how I did that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find an SD card and you want to format it for the camera that you're going to be putting the update into. Once that card is formatted, you're going to go to Canon's website, specifically this page right here, and then you're going to download the firmware update that's listed right here. Once you do that, you'll put it on your desktop. You're going to put your SD card into your computer. You're going to then put that firmware update file onto your SD card. You also want to be very careful that you don't put it into any internal folders in your SD card, but simply just drop it into your SD card. Once you've done that, you can take it out. You'll go to your R6. You can go to this page where the installation will take place. And you're just going to follow these steps that I'm showing you right now on my camera. And then you're just gonna let it do its thing. And once that's done, your camera just got better. And it took literally 5 minutes and you didn't pay for it. For those of you who use the Canon R6 strictly for photography, I still think this is exciting news because it means that Canon is still working to improve their technology and software in their cameras. The fact that they released this and our cameras just got better for free, I think is an incredible thing. So I think for photographers as well, it's a good sign that Canon still cares and they're putting updated technology into the wild. That's it. Hopefully this video was informative and useful for you. And for all you video shooters who wanted a better log profile to shoot in, this is it now. And so I think it's just really cool that we're gonna get better dynamic range in the R6. Like and subscribe, please, if you like to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.